Welcome to another adventure in learning Unreal Engine. This week is brought to you by Udemy and Stephen Ulibarri's Gas Top-Down RPG class. We're going to go ahead and jump right into it. There is, as you can see here, I do have a client and a server going at the same time. There is some bugs going on. I am only a third of the way through the course, but it's been a while since I've posted and wanted to just show off what's been going on. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Um, right here, you can see we got movement. We can use WASD to move. We can point and click to move. It will find paths around objects. We can also point and hold, click and hold to move as well. And hit each other with fire bolts. And as you can see, with that, we are able to pick things up, and we have crystals that do heal over time, and health potions that do immediate healing effects. We also have a fire that will do damage over time, and as you can see, there is a ghost bar that trails behind, kind of get that little added pizzazz to the look of it all. Like I said, we got health potions to get back up. And you might have seen it before, but we do have damage numbers that appear. We have fire bolts that fly and will hit the target and then cause an explosion and deal damage. And then the enemies, they have their highlighting abilities there. So that's all really cool, and you can see it goes and flies off. Like I said, we are only a third of the way through the course, so there is still so much more for me to learn and go through. But final thing is the attribute menu. Been working real hard on this the past couple weeks, getting these to appear, to have the strength pull from the data behind the scenes, to have the data pop up, and though they are the same person, they will have the same exact stats. They are separate, so the client has their own attributes and the server has its own attributes. Alright, with that, we do have one final thing, which is when we defeat an enemy, they ragdoll and then they do dissolve, so that was a pretty nice effect there. We are working to learn more and eventually get all this information stored and implemented in our own game. But for now, we're still in the training mode, tutorials, and learning. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.